So as we have just discussed that the first law of thermodynamics is basic law of conservation of energy, which states total heat given is partially in increasing internal energy and rest in performing work done. But you have to be very cautious while taking the sign conventions for all these three quantities. Let's discuss sign conventions now. What are the sign conventions? For first case, heat. When heat is provided to a system, when heat is given to a system, then it is dq is taken as positive, and when heat is taken out of a system, then the dq is taken as negative, right? So two cases for dq. Secondly, in case of work done, when gas expands, the gas performs work on the piston. That means this time the dw would be positive. So when expands, it is taken as positive, and when gas is compressed, that means the work is done on the gas, so it will be taken as negative. So during compression or compress, it is taken as negative, right? Lastly, internal energy. When temperature of a system changes, it can increase or decrease. So when temperature increases, internal energy will also increase, both in terms of kinetic and potential. So that is why du would be taken as positive when internal energy or temperature increases, it will be positive, and when temperature decreases, it will be taken as negative. These are two cases for internal energy. So for any further usage of these three terms, we have to consider these sign conventions very optimistically.